Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Corian Polish is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for maintaining the pristine appearance of your Corian countertops and surfaces, ensuring they not only look stunning but also stand the test of time against daily wear and tear, making it a crucial investment for any homeowner seeking to preserve the beauty and value of their kitchen and bathroom spaces. Number 5. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for your kitchen and bath surfaces. This innovative kit provides a powerful ceramic coating for lasting protection. Experience a brilliant shine that transforms your surfaces. It enhances the natural beauty of your kitchen and bathroom like never before. Seal your surfaces with advanced ceramic technology. This creates a durable barrier against daily wear and tear. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and grime. Its protective layer makes cleaning effortless, keeping your surfaces looking pristine. Invest in the longevity of your kitchen and bath. This spray kit offers comprehensive protection, ensuring your surfaces stay beautiful for years to come. Applying it is quick and easy, delivering professional-level results. Enjoy long-lasting protection and a stunning finish with minimal effort. What we like? This product offers a durable ceramic coating for superior protection. It effectively repels stains and grime, keeping your surfaces looking new. If you're looking for a long-lasting shield that simplifies cleaning for busy households, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Corian Polish provides a smooth, consistent finish that enhances the natural beauty of the material. It effectively removes minor scratches and dullness, restoring the original luster of Corian surfaces. The polish is easy to apply and buffs out to a brilliant shine with minimal effort, making maintenance simple. Number 4. Weiman Quartz Countertop Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Meet the ultimate solution for your quartz countertops. This specially formulated cleaner is designed to keep your surfaces looking their best. Our pH-neutral formula gently removes grease, soil, and watermarks without causing streaking or residue. It's the perfect choice for your newly installed kitchen surfaces. Protect the resins in your quartz and stone surfaces from sun damage. It helps prevent fading and darkening caused by sunlight exposure. Enjoy a spotless shine and a light, fresh citrus scent. It cleans, shines, and protects, leaving your kitchen smelling amazing. Experience supreme polishing power that brings out a new level of luster. It cleans effectively without damaging the surface, leaving it perfectly clear. Trust in a product proudly manufactured in the United States. Weiman is dedicated to caring for your most valued home surfaces. What we like? Specifically formulated for quartz, this cleaner gently removes tough stains without damaging the material. It also provides crucial UV protection to prevent fading. If you have newly installed quartz countertops and want to maintain their pristine look with a fresh scent, this is the product for you. What people say. It doesn't just clean, it actually polishes and leaves a beautiful, streak-free shine that makes my countertops look new again. I also appreciate the UV protection to help prevent my stone from fading. No streaks or grime. Leaves a great shine and no stickiness or residue. Number 3. Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner 3-in-1. Introducing Weiman Granite and Stone Cleaner. It's a powerful 3-in-1 solution designed to tackle grease, stains, and watermarks on your natural stone surfaces. Experience a brilliant, streak-free finish with its advanced formula. It leaves your countertops looking immaculate without any dull residue. Our innovative stain shield technology actively protects against future messes. This means less worry about spills and more time to enjoy your beautiful home. You can trust it on a variety of stone types. It's safe for use on marble, quartz, tile, granite, quartzite, and slate. Achieve effortless cleaning and maintain the lasting beauty of your stone. This cleaner is your go-to for pristine surfaces. What we like? This versatile cleaner tackles grease, stains, and watermarks all in one go, leaving a streak-free finish. Its stain shield technology offers added protection against future messes. If you have a variety of stone surfaces in your kitchen and want a single, effective solution for daily cleaning and protection, consider this option. What people say. This is a great product for cleaning and polishing granite. However, it also works on glass top stoves, microwave and refrigerator doors. Basically anything that is smooth, Weiman puts a nice shine to it and cleans the surfaces well. Finally, a Granite product that removes the greasy film on our high-gloss granite. This is the first time I found a product made for granite that works on grease. Use the microfiber cloth that comes with it to ensure a glossy finish. The Stain Shield technology really helps prevent spills from soaking in, which gives me peace of mind with my light-colored countertops. It removes grease and stains effortlessly without any harsh chemical smell. Number 2. Weiman Disinfectant Granite Daily Clean and Shine, 2-pack. Introducing a powerful solution for your countertops. Keep them sparkling clean and disinfected with ease. This cleaner is safe for a variety of surfaces, including granite, marble, and quartz. It effectively removes dirt and grime without causing damage. Not only does it clean, but it also disinfects, eliminating harmful germs. Enjoy a brilliant shine that enhances your kitchen's appearance. Each pack comes with a polishing cloth to help you achieve a streak-free finish. Get professional results right at home. Maintain the beauty of your countertops with this daily cleaner. It's designed for regular use to keep them looking their best. From granite to quartz and everything in between, this product is formulated to care for your valuable surfaces. Trust it for a thorough clean. What we like? This cleaner not only shines your countertops but also disinfects them, making it ideal for maintaining a hygienic kitchen. It's safe for a wide range of materials, including granite and quartz. If you prioritize both cleanliness and a sparkling appearance for your daily kitchen upkeep, this product is a great fit. What people say. The sealer does an amazing job in getting in all the cracks and preventing any grime from getting in, and the cleaner shines them up nice without damaging the stone. The products are easy to use and do a great job removing everyday dirt, grease, and smudges without leaving streaks or residue. I like that this kit not only cleans but also helps protect the surface, keeping my countertops looking polished and well maintained. It's like messes don't stick and just wipe right off now. I had no issues with the smell. I think it smells nice. I recommend using a microfiber towel and not paper towels or rough rags. Number 1. Weiman Disinfecting Granite Daily Clean and Shine Refill. Introducing the Weiman Disinfecting Granite Daily Clean and Shine Refill. It's designed to safely clean, disinfect, and shine your countertops. This powerful formula works wonders on granite, marble, soapstone, and quartzite. It also effectively cleans limestone, Corian, and laminate surfaces. Achieve a brilliant shine with every use. Keep your kitchen surfaces looking their best with this convenient refill. Safely disinfect your countertops without harsh chemicals. It's tough on germs but gentle on your stone surfaces. Get more value with this generous 64-ounce refill bottle. It ensures you have plenty of cleaner for daily use. Transform your kitchen with a clean and radiant look. This cleaner brings out the natural beauty of your countertops. What we like? This is a large refill option for those who love the disinfecting and shining capabilities of the daily cleaner. It offers great value and ensures you won't run out of your favorite countertop solution. If you're already a fan of the Weiman Granite Daily Cleaner and want a cost-effective way to keep your surfaces pristine, this refill is perfect for you. What people say. This product works great on my granite tiles. It leaves a nice sheen after. You spray it directly onto the granite and wipe clean. It is effective and protects well. It also has a mild, clean smell. It works so well that I use it every 2 weeks just to keep my tiles shower clean and sparkling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.